How to attach metal eyelets or grommets to Sunbrella fabric and outdoor fabric. 1. Make sure you are working over a very hard surface. 2. Put the stamp on this foundation with the flat side upwards. 3. Take the bullet peg, positioned with the convex side downwards, and put this on the flat side of the stamp. In this way you make a hole into the Sunbrella or outdoor fabric. 4. Turn around the stamp with the notch pointed upwards. 5. Put the grommet on the stamp with the carved side pointed upwards. 6. Lay down the cloth on this grommet and put the flat grommet on the outdoor fabric. 7. Take the bullet peg, positioned with the point downwards, and hammer it tightly. Please do this in a smooth way, otherwise you will damage the grommet. The result? Recommendation: reinforcing interfacing tape will help support the outdoor fabric and can be bought in our webshop at svocampingsshop.com. Now a short video will follow with all steps in a row